to Five Nights at Freddy's. Night 2. Now I figured out a strategy during my research. So here's the strategy. Just keep an eye on Pirate Cove and just turn on the lights and yeah.
Well, if you're hairless and you made the day 2, congrats. I won't talk quite as long this time since spreading tend to become more active as the week progresses. It might be a good idea to peek at those cameras while I talk, just to make sure everyone's in their proper place, you know. Interestingly enough, Freddy himself doesn't come off stage very often.
Chica's already out.
Not to run out of color, right? I also want to emphasize the importance of using your door lights. There are blind spots in your camera view, and those blind spots happen to be right outside your door. So if you can find something or somewhere on your cameras, be sure to check the door light. You might only have a few seconds to react. Not that you would be in danger.
Chica, shut up.
The character in there seems unique in that.
Oh man, Chica just doesn't want to shut up.
I don't know. Anyway, I'm sure you have everything under control. Talk to you soon.
I know one of them are coming. I just know it. Ah! Is he gone? Okay, gone. Shut up, Chica! Oh. A really big family, really big. Is Chica gonna get out of the chicken soon? Oh, and here's Kristen Gamer. Say something.
¿Qué quieres que diga, actor? Give me
6 a.m. 6 a.m. Alright, I'll end it here for now.